Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Koh here and I teach secondary sciences here at the Science Academy. Did you know that developing babies during pregnancy do not eat the same food as their mothers eat? So how do these developing babies get the nutrients they need if they do not have a direct food source? A few weeks into the pregnancy, the mother's body actually starts developing the specialized organ known as a placenta. So throughout the pregnancy, the placenta is seen as the baby's lifeline. The placenta takes nutrients such as oxygen as well as glucose from the mother's blood and delivers it towards the developing baby. At the same time, it removes any waste products such as carbon dioxide and urea from the baby and delivers it to the mother's blood so that the mother is able to aid the fetus in removing these metabolic waste products. The mother's blood as well as the developing baby's blood never ever mix. So you may be wondering, if the mother and developing baby's blood never ever mixes, then how does the nutrients from the mother's blood actually get transported towards the developing baby, and how does the waste products from the fetus get transported to the mother's blood so that the mother is able to help the fetus remove all these waste products? The answer is really simple. There's these group of blood vessels that are actually called your umbilical cord. So your umbilical cord attaches the developing baby to the placenta. Your umbilical cord is a group of blood vessels that are constantly transporting the nutrients from the placenta towards the developing baby and transporting all your waste products away from the developing baby to the placenta. The umbilical cord and your placenta are essentially the baby's lifeline throughout the pregnancy. Nutrients that the developing baby receives from the placenta as well as the umbilical cord, it starts to make use of the nutrients to start developing its various organs. For example, protein is important for developing organs as well as muscles, whereas calcium is important for developing teeth as well as bones. Healthy fats are important for developing the brain, and most importantly, your oxygen powers every single cell. Over about 40 weeks, a single fertilized egg develops into trillions of specialized cells that eventually become the baby's heart, brain, lungs, and other organs. The developing baby practices many important skills such as kicking, stretching, breathing, and even swallowing. This is one of the most incredible forms of teamwork between the mother as well as the developing baby. Curious Minds, Everyday Discoveries.